Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. Today I am going to do rainy day nail art and my today's color theme is grey. So without any delay, let's start with my today's tutorial. Here I am applying a dark grey nail polish on my nails, and after that I am going to do gradient with two different shades of a grey on my middle and ring finger nail. After gradient, here I am applying a top coat to smooth the surface because later I am going to do freehand plus stamping nail art here. After that I am adding white nail polish with a tiny piece of a sponge to create clouds. And I am extremely sorry because I didn't notice that my camera was out of focus here. Now it's time for stamping. Here I am stamping raindrops using a stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang using a white nail polish. Here I have drawn a couple who are holding an umbrella from that same stamping plate. Aren't this couple are beautiful? Don't you think so? I really love them. Now I'm going to add some background using a stamping plate from Born Pretty. As a background I have added bench and trees. Just imagine that this couple is going to a park on a rainy day to spend some beautiful moments. On a tiny sponge, I take two different shades of grey again to do gradient on the bottom side of my nail to create road. On my ring fingernail, I will do everything in the same way I did before on my middle fingernail, but instead of couple, I will add a straight light and thunderbolt. Let me tell you that how to draw freehand thunderbolt. Just draw 2 or 3 curved lines in together with yellow color and make sure that the end of the thunderbolt is sharp and thin. That's it. Here I am applying some acrylic paints on the road which is full of water because of the rain, so that it looks like the reflection of the lights appeared in the road. I will do the same thing with the trees and other stuffs in the background. Here I am finishing my menu with a glossy top coat, but later I have applied a matte top coat because I think rainy day nail art looks beautiful with matte top coat. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.